So in this one, we're practicing concept-wise, which is all the questions are on exponents. So if you look at it right here, this question, a squared is given to you, and then b squared is given to you. So obviously, what did you do here? What is this one?
So I squared the 35 a to get rid of the, I found the root, square root.
Okay.
5. And then I found what a to b equals.
Right.
And then I took the power of 4 and 6. Put them together.
Right.
But crazy decimal.
Right. So the process you did is it's totally correct, but we as SAT we want to complete the questions as fast as possible. So obviously, instead of finding the A and then find this one, but if you look at the link and if you look at the question carefully, and then it's asking is A to B fourth exponent. So fourth exponent I can get is simply I can square this. Square. So 2 times 2 is A to the 4. And 35 times 35, which is 425. Okay. Same way, b to the second exponent is 52, and is also asking 6th exponent. How I can get a 6th exponent? I need to do it cube. 3. So I can get the b to the 6th. Now you can use the calculator if you can multiply times. Okay. And then you just add them, you get the final answer. You see that?
Okay, so 14, 18, 3.
Yeah, so, yeah. So that's the question. Right here, whenever you have a plus sign, you can't do any of the, adding or multiplication. So if it is multiply, if you have the same base, then you can add the exponents. Because one of the formulas in the exponents, it says, let's say x to the n, and then you multiply with the x to the n, you can add the exponents. Okay? But not in this case. First of all, we need to get something out of this versus getting from the end. But let's see if we can get anything. Can we do that?
No.
No, we can't. It is multiplication. Even multiplication, this is an exponent. You cannot divide it with the base. So since it is base, we cannot do that. So what I can do, so basically, since nothing I can help with this, what I can do, since I see plus in between, right? When I have a plus in between, obviously the simplification could be a little difficult since you cannot add any. What I'm going to do, this 9, I can write it into the second exponent. Can I do that?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Right. Plus 3 to the 2x plus 10 and equals 162. Okay. Alright. So now see if we can come up with anything out of this. One thing, yeah, definitely we cannot add the tops though, because it's not a multiplication sign. You see this? This is not a multiplication sign. When you add an addition sign, you can't do it. It's only how it works with the multiplication. Okay? So, right. So that if it is multiplication, yes, we can do. But in this case, what you can do is, I'm going to multiply. When you have an exponent to the exponent, you multiply the exponent again. So what I can do is I can do 2x plus 10 plus 2x plus 10 equal 162, right? So, but I have same term 2 times. So obviously I can do either 2 of 3 to the 2x plus 10, which is 162, right? Or maybe I can divide this by 2, then I can get 2x plus 10. So 162 divided by 2, which gives you 81. I can write it 9 squared. Or I can write it 3 to the 4th. Do you understand how I got that?
That's a little... Wow. And I kind of
2x
learned
plus
this
10. Yep, you got that.
about a few months ago. And I learned this a few months ago too.
Yeah? Okay.
But it's just...
I know. It's math is like, unless you keep practicing it, it's really hard to remember and then keep track of it. So that's good. So once you have that one, then you can find the value of the x element. So that's 6. So x is going to be -3. Excellent. Really good question.
Okay. Wow. Okay.